In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF in Behance. To get started, open Behance and go to your profile or project area where your work is already published or saved. From there, open the Behance project you want to update. Make sure you choose the correct project before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple portfolio pieces. This helps you avoid uploading the PDF to the wrong item. Once your project is open, look for the option to edit the project and enter the editing view. This is where you can make changes to your existing content, add supporting files, and update the way your project is presented. If you don't immediately see the option, give the page a second and check around the project controls. Inside the project editor, move to the right side of the screen and find the Attach Assets section. This is the area Behance uses for including downloadable or supporting files alongside your project. When you click Attach Assets, you'll see the option to upload a file. Next, click Choose File. This opens your computer's file browser so you can locate the PDF you want to add. Select the correct PDF from your device. It's a good idea to make sure the file is finalized and clearly named before uploading, especially if it's meant for clients, recruiters, or portfolio viewers to download. After selecting the PDF, click on Add Example Images. This part is important because example images help represent the file visually inside your project. Since a PDF may not always communicate its contents at a glance, adding preview images can make the asset more understandable and more appealing for anyone viewing your Behance page. At this point, follow the on-screen procedure. Behance will guide you through the remaining prompts related to the upload and preview setup. Take your time here and review what appears on screen so everything matches the file you want to present. When everything looks correct, click Add Asset. This confirms the PDF as an attached asset for your project. After that, click Done to finish the process and close the Asset Setup window. Once you're finished, it's worth quickly reviewing the project to make sure the PDF appears properly and the preview images display the way you expect. That final check can help you catch anything that needs adjustment before visitors see it. And that's how to add a PDF in Behance.